Hello everyone, welcome to today's video lecture on listening practice through story. In this session, we will explore the power of storytelling to enhance listening skills with an exciting story about Mia's magical adventure. By the end of this lecture, you will not only enjoy a wonderful tale but also be able to answer questions related to the story. So let's get started. Once upon a time, in a small town called Willowbrook, there lived a curious and adventurous young girl named Mia. Mia loved to explore and discover new things, which led her to exciting and unexpected adventures. One sunny morning, Mia stumbled upon a mysterious-looking map in the nearby woods. With strange symbols and markings, she couldn't resist the temptation to unravel its secrets. Following the map's trail, Mia found herself in a hidden clearing where an ancient stone pedestal stood. On top of it was a small glowing crystal. As she touched the crystal, a magical portal appeared before her. Stepping through the portal, Mia entered a whimsical land filled with talking animals and enchanted forest. She made friends with a chatty squirrel named Nutmeg, a graceful deer named Dandelion, and mischievous pixie named Sparkle. As Mia and her new friends embarked on thrilling quests, they learned valuable lessons about friendship, courage, and kindness. Eventually, Mia realized it was time to return home with a heavy heart. She bid farewell to her magical friends and stepped back through the portal. Back in Willowbrook, Mia cherished the magic within her heart and the memories of her extraordinary adventure. She knew that with an open heart and a curious spirit, there were wonders to be discovered in her own world. Remember, dear listeners, storytelling is a powerful tool to improve your listening skills. By immersing yourself in a narrative, you can practice understanding spoken language, context, and emotional cues. Now, it's time for a quick comprehension check. Please answer the following questions. What was the name of the town where Mia lived? What did Mia find in the woods one sunny morning? What did Mia discover upon touching the glowing crystal? Thank you for joining this video lecture on listening practice through story. We hope you enjoyed Mia's magical adventure and gained insights in the benefits of storytelling for improving listening skills. Keep practicing